This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Pender. Beautiful 3-bedroom home located in the heart of the sought-after Kings Grant neighborhood. Wonderful open floor plan featuring a gorgeous updated kitchen, delightful glass-enclosed multi-season sunroom overlooking the shaded yard and custom patio, spacious family room with fireplace, dining room and living room. Gorgeous oversized fenced yard and 2-car garage. Many additional updates including newer HVAC, newer windows, carpet and more. This exceptional home won't last long. For more information, review the details below.